India Peer-to-Peer Lending NBFC League. You can lend money like a bank. Yes, every individual can lend money like a bank and win every day. Let's understand. India P2P NBFC Lending League, RBI approved platform, and it's called NBFC, lend money like a bank. For example, if you are lending 1 lakh, your ROI is 50 rupees to 67 rupees per day. That means you can also participate in the per day lending opportunities. Yes. So you can test the system per day lending and monthly up to 2%, 2000, not always. You may get a 1.5% or 2.25% based upon the available deals, and up to 24% per year. It's between the lender and borrower, but we bring in the complete process, right? So you come onto the platform, Oxyloans, you submit the investment commitment, execute the eKYC, do the credit validation, we will do the online validation, Aadhaar e-sign. Finally, funds will be transacted using the ICICI escrow and trust. So completely online, completely as per RBI approval. You can start participating for a 1 day deal to 1 month deal to 1, 2, 3 years deals. Everyone is a winner. So what is the risk? Risk exists. Recovery risk exists. We are seeing equities are falling. Now, when you buy an equity, you get a certificate. But in case of lending, when you do a lending, you get an MOU from the borrower. And we also collect the checks. There's the ENACH process. There's a higher amount of recovery possibility. So what is we talk about? We take responsibility. RBI says, don't use the word guarantee. So with that, founder Radhakrishna, explore Oxyloans, RBI approved peer-to-peer NBFC, lend money like a bank. All the best.